Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday, even though it's actually Sunday, just, because I'm actually at the side of the road campsite today. That's my view. I'm actually in National Forest. I didn't overnight because I went to go visit my closest brother from another mother. Known the guy like 30 years. I mean, hell, his daughter, who I remember when she was born, and she just turned 18, so I've known him a long time. So they gave me the weekend off, and I said, well, you know what, I gotta go visit them, because, you know, they're like family. So, you know, and it's like Bill Mellon always said before his untimely, way too soon passing, you know, tomorrow's not promised, so go tell somebody you love them. So I went over there, we grilled up some burgers and some brats. Good company, good food, good people. I just saw him yesterday and I already miss him. So let's get the Fatwood Friday going, and then let's jump right into this week's shout out drawing, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, let's proceed with just added 2 names to the cup today for this week's drawing. There's a knife in the picture because I just did a drawing for a knife giveaway. This week's drawing is Comfy Outback. There you go, brother. I'm actually really behind on his videos, unfortunately, because I just get busy, but I've been meaning to catch up. So, of course, I'll link his channel in the description. Alrighty, just gloving up for safety. Go ahead and move my Hidden Woodsman haversack with all my Fatwood Friday utensils in it. Tools and Fatwood, and no need for the cutting board because nature provides. Bust out my ferrocene rod, which I should have brought my Nathan 4071. That would have been nice to use. Maybe next time. Come on. It's really not biting me. What is it? Oh, and here comes the wind. Wow, I don't think I did a good job touching this up. I'm gonna have to redo it, I think. Maybe enough to get going. Oh, it went out. Come on, wind. There we go. It's being a little stubborn. Alright. Yeah, I don't think the edge on that's good. I'll have to fix it. Sweet. just realized I didn't dedicate today's fire to anybody. So we're going to dedicate today's fire to family. Because without your mom and dad, you wouldn't be here. And, you know, family is important, whether they're blood or not. You know, once you've known them long enough, they stop being friends and start being family. So, family, love you all, as always. Tomorrow's not promised. So, have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next one.